In this particular session, we're going to see payment terms transactional level for sales, how it will be determined and settled down. Let's try to understand this overview. So previously we have seen in detection and configuration. There are two ways. One is if you, particularly sales area data level, whatever the payment terms you maintain, that will be defaulted for your sales processes. So if someone would like to do it finance side and user side direct payments, then it will be the payment terms will be either manually they can able to maintain, or else it can be defaulted from our FI role or else company code role. This is how it will be. Let's try to understand this. Okay. Let me try to get onto the SAP. So let's go to the BP master. What we have done in previous session. Let's go to the BP, and I'm just taking this sample customer. And if you double click here, okay, this is customer role. In billing tab, okay, the terms of payment what we have maintained 0004. Okay, whereas if you go to the sales role, sorry, company code role. Okay, previously what you have seen is sales level. So company code level in customer payment transaction GD01 we maintain. Let's try to check transactional level. So as per our slide, what it sounds, the payment terms always read from sales area data will be defaulted for sales processes for our SD billing documents. For direct payments, so I haven't mentioned for direct payments, it is from your FI role level or else company code level, whatever the payment terms you maintain. Okay. Sales area level, what we maintain 0004. So company code level, whatever we have given a new definition, that ZD01, it's supposed to get maintained. Let's take any process, sales process. For example, we take credit memo or debit memo. Okay, let's take debit memo if it is, since it is asking. So let's take, this is the customer we have taken. Okay, so pay transactional level test actually. Okay, now let's try to check. You have already taken the customer. Let's go to the billing tab. Okay, you can able to see this. Okay, so this is the company code, and your terms of payment will be 0004. From where it is coming? It is coming from your BP master sales role. Okay, that's what we have seen. So this is fine. And let's try to give the item. This is header level. So let's give the item, double click on the item, go to the billing document. So whatever the payment terms, what I have maintained, it will be flown from your header to item. So payment terms, if you want, you can able to default from header so that, it will be flown from top to bottom, header and item concept. Or else, if you wanted to maintain, for example, I'm taking an example, let's assume for the time being, this is the second item. If really I want, I can able to maintain another payment terms. Item wise also, I can able to maintain it. Okay. So how it happens? Okay. So when you can able to edit this, okay, in our item category definition, there is one field called, for example, Vivo V7. Okay, this is how you have to learn it. Okay, this is L2N is our item category. If you look at this, okay, see business item is activated, then only you can able to edit certain fields at item level related to sales and your shipping and billing related, right? That's what the business item says. This I have given already explanation. Okay, anyhow, that is different story. If you really wanted to edit it, if you don't want to edit it, you should not allow for the item category. If you don't want to allow, you have to uncheck this. Okay, let's take this. Okay, so generally, as per process, it will be flown from top to bottom. Okay, let's remove the billing block and let's try to do the bill actually. Okay. Oh, okay. Maybe it is asking for order reason. That's what. So for debit memo and credit memo, that's what the process, right? So maybe like something, I'll just put it. It's not a big deal. So let's go for billing. Okay, use similarly order delivery billing also same process. Just I would like to show you how the payment terms will be flown. So let's check the billing document level. Okay, what are all the payment terms flown? So 0004. This is from our sales area data. That means your sales role. Okay, so not from FI role. FI role ZD01 we have maintained. Okay, so similar way, let's double click this and try to check item. Okay, so item you will not have the payment terms. Okay, that's fine. So we don't bill separate line wise, right? So it need to be defaulted either one of this. Okay, so let's try to double check here. So let me try to show you accounting tab level also. I have already done one session specifically how it will be deferred. So let's go to the change mode of this billing document and press enter. Let me show you one more time in header. So the payment terms will be flown from your header. You will have certain interview questions, so they will try to confuse you. You have to learn field by field. So how it will be determined from where it is coming, okay, and all those things. So if you try to double click here, okay, in my previous session also explained this payment term at accounting document level. Manually, if you want, you can able to change it. Let's go to the display mode. And if you want, you can able to change it. That is a different story. I'm not going to change anything. Okay. This is all about the payment terms. Generally, at sales side, it will be read through the payment terms where you have maintained your master data level. Okay, manually, if you want, you can change it. I have already done one session for that separately. We'll try to see the fields before that. Okay, so FD70, let's go for this. Oh, sorry, FB70. This is for FSI direct payments. Okay. So let's go to the, maybe I'll give the customer, otherwise it will not allow me to move further. Okay, let's try to give some date, no issues. Okay. Now, see if the payment of 14%, 2%, 30 days net. Okay, let's go to the payment from where it is coming. So your ZT01, it is reading through FI roll. Okay. You have to remember that the payment terms, how it will be determined for direct FI payments. Okay, so it is reading from where? It is reading from company code role. Okay, let me try to recap. I'm not going to do any payment here. Well, let's try to check. This is the FI role, right, for this customer. Okay, from here it is coming for sales and distribution. It is coming from your sales and distribution billing tab. This is the place where it is going to read. I'm not going to do any settlement, and we'll see the configuration fields one by one. Okay, if we really wanted to learn payment terms in depth, and I'll try to give maximum fields explanation from this definition. Okay, so header and item determination we have already seen. Okay, if you would like to learn more things like this, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Currently, it is holding 1,000 plus content, and if you really wanted to learn as for HANA sales, this is the course you can able to choose it. Currently, it is holding almost 87.5 hours. We're going to way ahead for 100 hours. Let's see that. Okay, thanks so much. Let's catch up in next session. Have a great day.